Hey everybody, this one I Cook's Radio is the Monday 18th of February. This one I just want to show Thai student about how to check. I have feedback when you speak English right or not. Even myself, still have some problem to speak, or pronounce English correctly. And then this one is going to help, people if you pronounce English correctly or not. So this one, sorry, this is for Thai student. I want to check because I want to have a closed caption, so I have you can read from YouTube. When I speak Thai, some problem is that the closed caption doesn't, or voice recognition doesn't recognize my pronounce. So for Thai student, you want to check if you pronounce English correctly or not. What you need to do is the program to record your pronounce, or let's say your speaking. So what I'm using is I'm used Cam Studio, and I also you need a YouTube account or YouTube channel, which myself you can see that I have Cook RT, and you need microphone. And for the steps, the first one, you pick up some articles in English, and you record on Cam Studio through a microphone, and then you upload your video on YouTube, and then you play back YouTube, and you open turn on or activate closed caption, and then you can compare your English article from for this one I used from CNN.com, so I already pick up this one, and I will show you later on. My internet is so slow because I used the net from my smartphone. So and then you can compare your closed caption from YouTube that you already record, and then to that article. Okay, so let's get started. The first one, I turn on the Cam Studio, right? The first step, and I go to this news. So I'm going to start reading. More than 1,000 ISIS fighters have likely fled from Syria into the mountains and deserts in western Iraq in the past 6 months, and then may have up to 200 million in cash with them, according to a U.S. military official familiar with situation. ISIS fighters have continued to flee even as the final fighting has unfolded in the group's last stronghold in southern Syria. Some of the last fighters are also believed to be former members of Al-Qaeda in Iraq, according to a second official. The assessments and estimates of ISIS strength come in the final days of the physical caliphate, the official said. Early this month, Jean-Joseph Votel, the four-star general in charge of U.S. military operations in the Middle East, estimate there were 20,000 to 30,000 ISIS fighters remaining, which lines up with a UN estimate from August. A US Defense Department report from the summer estimated there are between 15,500 and 17,100 ISIS militants in Iraq and another 14,000 in Syria. Okay, so the next step, what I'm going to do is that stop this one. Before I stop this one, that means you're going to save your record on your computer, and then you upload to YouTube. That's the step. And then you playback YouTube, and then you compare your English that you record and to the closed caption. Okay, so hopefully this going to more or less is going to help you a little bit, because I have to stop this one to upload. Okay, bye.